Hey everyone, welcome to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. My name is Steve and I'm out here today with the SF260. This is an RC plane designed for beginners. It comes as a ready-to-fly kit, so you get the battery, you get the plane, you get the remote control, you get wheels if you want to put underneath, and you get spare parts, and everything comes in a box. And trust me when I say this is made for beginners. And in celebration of this yellow plane, I am wearing yellow, so you can spot me out on this dull, cold day. Oh, I say dull day and the sun starts coming out behind me. Okay, well here we go. It's in the wrong area, son. You have to be over there. Anyways, you do get the battery with it. You get two of them. Well, at least mine came with two, so you can order it with 1, 2, or 3 batteries. Each battery will give you about 15 minutes of flight time on this little baby. It also comes with this remote, which is pretty decent. You'll get 200 meters of range with this remote, and it does have 3 modes on the remote. So you have expert mode, where you know how to fly a plane. Then you have medium expert mode, where it gives you a little bit of assistance and it helps you out. Then you have full assistance, which is beginner mode, it's gyro mode, and that means it flies the plane for you. All you got to do is like send it around in a circle or dive it at your head. I'll try to do that in this video. The remote also has a little switch up here that you just push once, and it's for acrobatics. So if you don't know how to do 3D flying with a plane, it does it for you. In other words, what happens is you press this and the plane can either do like a roll like this or a loop. So it's up to you what you want to do. The instructions explain it. Now for me, out on a day like today where it is super cold and I have gloves on, I think I'll be doing acrobatics the moment I launch this. Just try to hang on to this with my gloves. So for surface areas on here, you have ailerons on the wings, you have elevator in the back, and you even have a rudder. When I first got this and took it out of the box, I didn't even notice there was a rudder on it, but there's a rudder, so that helps you turning left and right, so that's nice. The battery goes right on the bottom. There's a little hatch on the bottom that I probably can't open it with my gloves. Oh, there we go, I got it open, and you just connect the battery, stick it in. As soon as you plug it in, it's ready to fly. So I think what I'm going to do for the first flight is I'm going to go stand on a snowbank. There's a snowbank over there. I'm going to go stand on the top of the snowbank and I'm going to throw it. I didn't put the wheels on because we have snow everywhere, so you can't launch it or land it with wheels, but you can definitely hand toss it. And the final thing to mention before we go fly, it is not a brushless motor. It's a core brushed motor, and the prop, if I pull, let me see if I can get it off. It's one of those props that if you crash, the prop flies off. You do get a spare prop and you just snap it back on. So the odds of ever destroying your prop or the motor is next to none. So for me out on this winter day, my only worry is if the prop flies off due to like a nose landing, I might not find the prop. There's a lot of snow out here. Anyways, let's go fly. All right, made it in flight. Got to climb up this snowbank. There we go. I don't know if I can do this with gloves on, but I'll try it. Just got to plug in this battery here. All right, push that in. There we go. I can see everything moving. Then we have to take our battery, hide it inside. Oh, everything is frozen out here. You know what the temperature is right now? It's minus 15 degrees Celsius. Oh my God, we're having such an Arctic weather here in Canada. So far, nothing's frozen up on this, so far. There we go, we're good. And you can see I have a little camera up top. It shouldn't mess up the weight too much because I did stick it in line with the CG, which is straight through the wings like this. It's just to give you some video as it's flying because it is kind of dull. So on the remote, this switch, if you push it farthest away, that's expert mode. There's no gyro. I need a gyro because I'm flying with my gloves on. And all the way to you is gyro on. Let's try a little throttle. Looks good. So we're having a bit of a problem here with my camera. It says it's too cold out here to function. Okay, so bad news, I have no camera up top. It says it's not gonna work. So what that means is this video is just gonna give you video from this hat cam on my head. So I'll have to try to fly this close. Ooh, that's gonna be difficult. So you may or may not see this well, but it is what it is. Let's toss it out this way. Here we go. And toss. Flies like a dream. Bring it back to me. It does not fly very fast. It's very slow. Now I know why they make this for beginners. You know, flying with gloves on is extremely difficult for me. Bring it over here. I'll try to miss all the trees. Try to miss me. I'll come right up my head. Okay, coming around. Nice and low, coming up my head. Whoa! I missed the tree. Very easy to fly. This is 100%, I know I say this a lot in these videos, but this is 100% a beginner RC plane. Like, it takes no skill on my part to fly this. The only thing I have to do is watch out I don't smash it into a tree or the ground. All right, coming at me again. That was close. Woohoo. So if you could see me flying it that close to me with gloves on, which I can barely feel the joysticks, then it's pretty darn simple to fly. Nice and low again. Whoa! And you know what the cool thing is? The yellow looks really good in the sky. Look at that. That is cool. All right, let me just try some acrobats. I don't think I could do it close up, but I'll try it here. I'll try not to crash it. So something simple you can do is just press this upper button and then get it to do a roll. So here we go. And upper button pressed in a sec. Watch out for the tree. And I flew right into the tree. Oh my God. Not only did I fly into the tree, it's a way up there. And I think my prop came off when I hit too. Now that's a cool acrobat. Let's go try to get this down. I fear that without a pole, that plane is going to sit there forever. This is me at ground level. Let's go up. Where's our plane? It's way up there. Way up there. The only good news is it's on the edge, but this is a thick tree. I don't think I can shake it. Am I even affecting the upper branches when I do this? No, I think I'm gonna have to throw something at it. There we go. Oh, great. It's on a lower branch. It'd be so easy if I was only like 40 years younger. I could climb trees, but I can't get up this way. It's in reach now that if I had a long pole, I could get it. I don't see any long poles around here. Try a stick with a stick. Oh, did I just break the plane? The stick is sticking out of the plane right here. Pull it out. There we go. When it first hit the tree, the plane just stopped dead and the prop shot off. This is gonna be like looking for a needle in a haystack. I'll take a look, but I don't know. So the plane crashed up there. The prop came flying this way. I saw it go off. Oh, there's something over here. Something right there. Look at that. Look at this right here. Jeez, a few more granulars of snow falling from the sky, and I would never find that. All right, let's go plop this back on and I'll fly it again. In the summertime, these props that just fly off, they are a godsend because for newbie pilots, first thing you always do, since all planes are nose heavy for the most part, is the prop will come off. So there we go, it's on. I'm not standing on a snowbank, but I'll just toss it here. It's still in beginner mode, so here we go. There she goes, look at that. It just flies so nice. You'd never know this was up in a tree just a while ago and that some idiot was throwing sticks at it. But yeah. Whoa, I'll just keep it away from that tree behind me. I'll come out my head again. Yo. So really good plane. I'll see if I can do some acrobats here. So here we go. I'll bring it at me, do them in reverse. And now. Wow. Once again, I flew it upside down and didn't write it. Oh well. One man can only do so much damage to one plane. One last time. I'll shoot it out. That camera's facing this way, so I'll shoot it out this way. There we go. Get it up over the tree and back this way. I hit the only snowbank around. So I smashed into this snowbank. Watching out for trees, watching out for everything, but no, I hit the snowbank. All right, so I think that's pretty much it for this review. I am destroying the heck out of this thing. All right, that's enough flying for me today. I think I've destroyed everything in my vicinity, a snowbank, a tree, and some sticks I've been throwing, and some ice. So I'm gonna call it quits for the day, but I am now gonna show you what you get in the box if you buy this baby, so check it out. Here we have the box the SF260 comes in. Inside the box you'll find the plane, the radio, and accessories. First item in the box would be the user manual. Second item in the box would be the plane, and you'll notice that all the graphics have been installed, and even the bubble canopy has an instrument panel on the dash. Next you have your radio, and you can see mine is a mode 2 radio with the throttle on the left. Also, if I flip it over, you can see it takes 4 AA batteries, and guess what? The 4 AA batteries are included in the kit. Speaking of batteries, your plane may arrive with 1, 2, or 3 batteries depending on what you order. A USB battery charger is included. The plane also arrives with removable landing gear. 1 spare prop is included. You also receive a spare screw to connect the wings to the fuselage, as well as a micro Phillips screwdriver, and as well as a cable just in case you want to add your own receiver. And if you wish to add your own receiver, the manual includes information on that topic. As well, the manual also says that if you own a radio that is OpenTX, then that radio should be compatible with this plane. And finally, the total weight of the plane without a battery is 68 grams. When you add the battery, it bounces the weight up to 79 grams. All right, you're back to Frozen Steve, and Frozen Steve wants to go indoors. All I can say is this plane is super slow. In other words, when you fly it as a beginner, you have plenty of time to react with those joysticks. So for that reason, it's definitely a thumbs up from me, because beginners, you know, your mind is going a million miles an hour when a plane is flying and you don't know what to do. But since this one flies so gentle and so nice, I think you could really fly this and have 100% flight on your very first flight with no issues whatsoever. So it's a really good plane. And the fact that it's bright yellow in color and matches my jacket is just amazing. Actually, no, it's bright yellow, so it looks awesome in the sky. And also, if you lose it in the bush or anything like that, it's easy to find. So this is available on the Banggood website, which means I do have a discount code. So if you check below, you'll see I have a discount code and the price is much less expensive than you're thinking. So check it out and see if this is the plane for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, just stay tuned to this channel. But for now, I say Frozen Steve is going indoors. Till the next video, bye.